time marches forward. And with it, the universe changes in ways we can hardly comprehend. But what if we told you that behind the scenes, a mysterious force called entropy is at play, dictating the fate of everything around us? In the early 1800s, a young French engineer named Sadi Carnot embarked on a journey to understand how heat engines could be made more efficient. His pioneering work would eventually lead to the birth of a revolutionary concept, entropy. Building on Carnot's insights, Rudolf Clausius introduced the term entropy and formulated the second law of thermodynamics, revealing that energy transformations always lead to an increase in disorder. Imagine a tiny demon that could sort molecules by speed, seemingly defying the second law of thermodynamics. This thought experiment by James Clerk Maxwell posed profound questions about the nature of entropy and order. Entropy provides a direction to time, explaining why we remember the past but not the future. It shows us that the universe is always moving towards greater disorder. From the kitchen to our living rooms, entropy is at play in our daily lives, driving the processes that turn order into chaos and back again. Entropy isn't just about physical systems, it also underpins information theory, influencing how we compress and transmit data in our digital age. On a cosmic scale, entropy tells us about the ultimate fate of the universe. Scientists predict a distant future where entropy reaches its peak, leading to a state known as the heat death, where no usable energy remains. Even in the quantum realm, entropy plays a crucial role. From the behavior of particles to the enigmatic entropy of black holes, challenging our understanding of the universe. From the birth of steam engines to the fate of the cosmos, entropy weaves a tale of order and chaos, shaping the universe in ways both profound and mysterious. Join us on this fascinating journey to uncover the hidden order behind the seeming disorder. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of entropy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe with us.